Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favors. Today I'm going to create a beautiful gift here. These are some of the items I'm going to have in the container. And my container is going to be this box here, guys. It's an ivory color and it has beautiful flowers and butterflies on it. Okay, so this is the container I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use this beautiful throw blanket here. I'm going to use this silk potted plant. I'm going to use these velvet pumpkins. I have one pumpkin here and two pumpkin sprays. I'm going to use this cherry blossom candle, guys. I put a ribbon on that. I'm going to use this Welch's sparkling red grape juice, and I put a ribbon on the bottle. I have two wine glasses. I put little ribbons on those as well, just to add a little decor to them. I'm also going to add two of these silk flower arrangements. Okay. And last, I'm going to add this beautiful string of wood beads. Okay, so I have my container already prepared, guys. I have my tissue paper, pink tissue paper, to cover up my base. Craft papers in the bottom. I cut a piece of cardboard the size of this box, and that is giving me my stability I need for my base. I use 3 acrylic dowels that I got from Amazon, and I put those in the back. This keeps my lid from going forward or backward. It will not move. Okay, so I'm going to start with my throw blanket. And what I did with this blanket, I cut out a piece of cardboard and I wrapped my blanket around the cardboard. Then I added the ribbon and my little foam flower here. Okay, so I'm going to sit that right here in the center in the back. Okay. And next I'm going to add my Welch's grape juice here. And I'm going to add this silk plant. Okay, now I am going to put my candle here in the middle, right under the rose. And I'm going to put my glasses right here, okay, on either side of the candle. Then I'm going to put my 2 artificial flower arrangements. I'm going to put those in the corner in the front on each side. Okay, and I am going to, let's see, put this pumpkin here. Put the pumpkin there. And I'm going to see where I'm going to put my little pumpkin sprays at. These are also velvet. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm just going to have one kind of bent over into the glass to kind of hold it in place. Okay, and I'm going to bring it up a little bit so you can see the top of the box. And my bead decor, I am going to start it back here behind the blanket. I'll bring it down. Kind of have it just around the pumpkin. Okay guys, I think I got everything laid out the way I want it. It looks really nice. I have my throw blanket. I have my Welch's juice, 2 wine glasses, my wood bead decor, 2 potted silk flower arrangements, my velvet pumpkins, my potted silk plant, and my candle. All right, guys, I think that looks good. So this is going to be how the gift will look. I hope you guys enjoyed this design. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.